Hey guys, how are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So I just wanted to do a very quick video where I went over a very simple concept with you guys, and basically every bubble is in search of a pin. So what this means is that basically every bubble is in search of a pin. So basically the world central banks have, with their low interest rates and money printing, have basically inflated pretty much a bubble of everything, and what is going on with the global pandemic is basically the pin that has burst that bubble. So a lot of people are thinking, right, okay, so this is all just because of the global pandemic, so as soon as that starts to abate, as soon as that starts to calm down, everything is going to go back to normal. Stock market straight to all-time high, and we're just going to carry on as if nothing happened, as if nothing changed fundamentally in the system. But what I think will become apparent going forwards is that all the bubble needed was the pin to burst it, so it started deflating, so it basically bursts, and then it doesn't really matter what happens to the pin after. So in much the same way, it doesn't really matter what happens to this global pandemic afterwards. The damage has already been done. The global debt is already deflating, and yeah, so basically we're gonna have to basically unwind a lot of those positions that have been built up. So yeah, so that is literally it. That's all I really wanted to tell you guys. You just have to think of the analogy of the bubble and the pin, with the global pandemic being the pin and the world indebtedness, the basically inflated world economy as the bubble. So when this pandemic does abate, I do know lots of people are just assuming that everything's going to go back to normal straight away, but I think there are underlying aspects and broken parts of the financial system that have been fully exposed again, parts that broke in 2008 that were managed to be papered over, that I think is going to be a lot more difficult for them to do this time. So whilst I do envision there being a pretty large dead cat bounce short covering rally in the stock markets when the world does eventually get over this this situation, but I do believe that will be a sell the rally event on a larger time frame, and they will head lower as the global debt bubble, which all of the expansion thus far since 2008 pretty much has been predicated on. So that deflation of that bubble is going to be a downward pressure on the global economy for a lot longer than what the potential period of time we're having. Obviously our draconian measures across the world to combat the pandemic. So yeah, that was it really. So Chris Martinson here, he does talk a lot. He's got a channel called Peak Prosperity on YouTube, where he gives updates on the global pandemic every day. It's really good, and yeah, he's a really smart guy, definitely someone worth looking into, and I'll put the link to this article in the description, and yeah, so thanks for listening guys. So remember, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'll be back soon with my Bitcoin analysis video, and yeah, so happy trading guys, and I'll speak to you soon.